Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of the state-specific manufacturing parks? 1. In-house capabilities for prototype development should be created within these parks. 2. State-specific manufacturing parks should be equipped with modern facilities for quick setup of new units. 3. These parks should only focus on the service sector. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Statement 1 is correct. It is essential to develop in-house capabilities for creating prototypes within manufacturing parks. Statement 2 is correct. State-specific manufacturing parks should indeed be equipped with state-of-the-art facilities that allow for the quick establishment of new manufacturing units. Statement 3 is incorrect. The focus of state-specific manufacturing parks should not solely be on the service sector. Consider the following with reference to the semiconductors. 1. Silicon is commonly used as a semiconductor material. 2. Gallium arsenide is the most common material for manufacturing integrated circuits. 3. Doping a semiconductor increases the number of free electrons or holes in the material. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer B. 1 and 3 only. Statement 1 is correct. Silicon is indeed the most widely used semiconductor material due to its abundance, good electrical properties, and suitability for manufacturing integrated circuits, ICs, and other electronic devices. Statement 2 is incorrect. While gallium arsenide, GaAs, is an important semiconductor, especially for high-speed and high-frequency applications like optical devices and microwave devices, silicon is the most common material used for manufacturing integrated circuits. Statement 3 is correct. Doping is the process of adding impurities to a semiconductor to increase its conductivity.